I don't want to comment reacting on him. But you see, as a proud Indian and as a Chief Minister of Manipur, and as a nationalist, I'll tell, no one can touch India's integrity. No one can touch the Manipur integrity because, India is not a mere country. India is a big country. And we should be proud being an Indian. And others, particularly or personally, I don't want to comment to basis on anybody's comment. But my stand is very clear. We will stand for India. We will stand for the unity and integrity of the भारत. भारत को एकता रखना, स्ट्रॉन्ग रखना, ये अपने काम है. और जो भी इसमें जो भी चैलेंज करेगा उसको हम डिफीटिंग रिप्लाई देंगे.